Alright, Dave Runner, Trash Trucks Lawn Care here. I'm just gonna go with the old intro, because that's what I just said. Anyway, major snowstorm. That big nor'easter that's hitting everyone hit us pretty hard here. South towns got hit harder, they always do. But we still got hit pretty hard. This all fell overnight. It was all grass, no snow was left anywhere, and now this. All last night. So, but for right now, the major priority is to clear out the driveway and around this car, and around our car, because James has to go to do a dentist appointment to get some of his 80,000 cavities filled in the next. And he's got like 20 minutes, so he's 30 minutes before he's got to go to that 9. Just after 8 now, but as you can see, this is going to be annoying. The annoying struggle of trying to get through this crap times 3, times like 3. Our back neighbor behind us, he's been clearing out, anyway. He's been kind of clearing out, trying to clear his stuff out, so I'd just be helping out him, but this stuff out front is ridiculous. But we still have this. Actually, we got to do what I do the front stuff. So, I don't know if you can see there, but that's like 7 inches-ish. This is the kind of stuff you need like a 3-stage for, because as you can see, the massive bank. This is all one solid level of ground. 3, the town's got to come through and plow once more. Probably after this is done, they'll come back through once more and get it all clear. As you can see, you can't really tell, but I can tell looking at it. This is very low, and then this is a bank. It gets banked up. The same thing that was happening here. See, snow blowing out. This wasn't too deep, and then you got like halfway back through. It's past your ankles, pushing 7+ inches. I gotta find somewhere where I can take a measurement and get one. I don't know if you can see there. Oh, and on the side door too, how it's blown up against the stuff. And he's clearing it out now. It's all blown up against the stuff that was above the door. And then as you can see, it rained first before it converted over, so there's this slushy / ice layer on the bottom of everything. See, now for once the priority is our driveway. It's not the priority for this one time only. It's the priority, so I'm gonna let James have his fun for like 20 minutes. I don't know if I'm gonna take over when he has to dip. So. That, and then this is going to be the killer. This is what you need like a 3-stage for. We only got that 2-stage, so yeah, this is definitely what a 3-stage is for, because this is too much. Well, we can't really do anything about it because it's all overnight. Even though I was up to like 2, so I know this was coming down pretty heavy. Like then, see, like this. This is gonna have to come back through with a shovel and scrape, trying to get down to bare pavement. Although I think this is the tire tracks from when they left the first time they go to when my dad had to work. I think that's what these are from. So we'll have to come back through and scrape everything. Didn't know we needed a path that big, but okay. don't know if you could tell, but they're flying like they usually do. Like, cause this way out here, you can't really tell on the snow, but I can tell. It's a bit darker. The snow's a bit darker, so I can tell it came from the street. That was not there earlier. That they just did right before we came out, like 5 minutes before we came out. We were putting my socks on, and I just look out the window, and oh, there they go, obliterating it way past the sidewalk up through the town. We'll do that too later. But after we get the driveway clear out, then it's going to start working on the sidewalks. Although, he might come up the sidewalk here. See, don't blow snow in the street. Always pick your chute. You're not blowing snow in the street. I should have my watch or my phone on me so I can tell what time it is, but you know. Alright, so this pole clip's running out right here. I'll stop it and then bring it back again at some point, I guess. Then I'll be by myself. I won't have anyone to film, nor is there anywhere really to set this on. Because no, it is not on a tripod. This is me standing like as still as possible. I've got my mini 6-inch tripod that I'm holding, but which makes it a lot easier when you got something else to hold on to instead of holding the camera steady itself and holding on to something else to keep it steady. So, we'll see you guys next clip. Alright, so the snow blowing part is done. I still gotta go back through with the shovels and finish it up, and especially in the third driveway, because that was just an absolute pain, because that driveway just is. Just because of just how it is, the concrete for it is horrendous. This is super easy and simple because it's a nice driveway. There's no big cracks in it or anything with their driveway. It's obnoxious. I hate doing it because it's constant bumps, and the thing didn't want to dig in. It kept trying to ride any tiny little inclines, and oh my, it was a mess trying to do that one. But I got really just about all the major stuff done, and two, it worked out perfect. This my neighbor, the back one, he did come up and do this and went out to the street, which is good because that snowblower, by the time I got it back to the shed after playing around with this, it was starting to die, I could tell. And I looked in the tank, oh yeah, bone dry. So, and that was like hour, just over an hour. So that's good to know. I got about an hour of snow blowing on one tank of gas. I'm pretty sure it was a full tank, so yeah, we got these knocked out. The driveways are mostly done. Our driveway's done back there, mostly done. Like I said, he came up and did this, the 2 paths. I did go back down it real quick and kind of clean it up. And then that is fine. I might bring it over more because that's not usually how I do it, but that works. They got lucky because he did the front part of the sidewalk and they did the side. They always do that, and he did the vacant one. And I think he did the guy next to it too. So that's all cleared out, and then I cleared this out, went down. I got to clear the fire hydrant out more. I just kind of went through with it with the snowblower real fast and just turned around because it's too big of a pain because it's all soft ground. The ground itself is relatively soft because this is heavier snow. But I do got to get a measurement. I do got to get a tape measure out here and go through, find a spot like in the front here, like over there, and measure it and kind of see about-ish what we got. That's like the only spot where other snow didn't end up, it seems like, is right here. And then maybe spots in the back there too, but this is like the only spot because everything else has got the garden beds there, and then the snow blowing from both sides, and then walking through to get my shovel. So right there will take our measurement. But thing's giving me the nearly dead battery thing, which I think is fine. It's just not liking that it's semi-cold, so we'll just wrap this up real fast. So yeah, this, as you can see, this street actually is better than before because it did stop snowing. I'm going to go back through his driveway too. He didn't do it that well, although it's fine for him, and I gotta see like this stuff I gotta redo, like little minor things. This is fine back here, clear the snow off the steps. And then like clean up this edge along here, and then like get that pile and this and just plow it back there like we usually do. That I didn't like clear it as I went down with the snow blower. That's when I could kind of tell. Although it was starting to, I could tell it was running out right when I got down to the shed. That's when I could hear it, the kind of stuttering. That's how I knew it was out of gas, because it's not the first time I've ran that thing just about dry, so I knew what it was doing. These spots where I had to frickin' step over, just trying to turn around with the snow blower, because there's not any steer control. I don't really like steer control. I mean, it looks like I'm using steer control if you would see me from like a third person perspective turn it around, because I just grab it in the corner right on the drive control and just turn it, and it just turns. So, you know, it's kind of big, so it's a pain. Like back here, I gotta clear the gate out too, like trying to turn around there. You can see other marks in it and stuff. It wasn't like the most cleanest job, but see, now I just walked through that and tripped on it. But the point is to get the bulk heavy